How you guys doing today? Welcome back to the channel. So we got the TGS-R out. This is a couple days after the bench tune. So let's see how she actually runs today. I should have actually put this phone in the remote before I started the video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to slip this in here without shutting the phone off, hopefully. All right, I got you guys in the controller now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to run this around a little bit, see how she runs, and go from there. So what we have here is this is not Sidewinder. This is Torco 20 with my custom made 18% oil. So what we have to do is we got to fill this up. So I might have to put you guys just like this, which I got the phone at, I guess, a better angle, so you guys can actually see a little bit when I put the controller down. So this is Torco 20% with 18% oil now. Now we're all the way bumped up to 18%. So I'm interested to see if the motor still makes that crazy noise. You guys know the noise that I'm talking about. So we're gonna see what happens today. We're gonna run it because I don't want to really take this back apart again. You guys know what I mean. I don't want to take this back apart again, and I just took it apart, so kind of want to run this thing like actually take it for a little spin ski. We got fuel yet? You guys can see the fuel entering the carb, so we should be plenty primed now. So let's see what we can do, guys. I hope you guys are all enjoying the videos. Hopefully my glow igniter is charged, because I've been doing an awful lot of running lately and I haven't checked the charge on this yet. Tell you one thing, the funny noise came back for a second. Got absolutely nothing happening, so hopefully this is not wasting my time over here. I'm gonna try, I think it's primed, but I'm gonna prime it some more, see what happens. Definitely crazy sound. It sounds like coming from in the motor. Give it more prime. That's definitely coming from the motor. It may have a shot motor, guys. May have a shot motor. It's not turning on now for some reason. Try to richen it up a little bit on the low end, because that was the last thing I was adjusting on the video. Try a whole bunch more prime. Usually this thing does have a hard time starting. Crazy noise is back, and it's from the motor. It's not priming for some reason. Motor sounds crazy. This is Nitro, guys. This is Nitro. I'm gonna do is I'm gonna richen the top a little. My intuition is telling me to richen the top a little bit. So I'm gonna richen the top a little because it seems like it's running out of fuel. Now we got it running. It sounds like I got the idle tuned too low. Seems like that's always the case with me. Let me try to so just hang in there with me, guys. This is Nitro. We can't this is why I like making my videos the way I make them, because it's reality. Got tons of smoke. Not really too much smoke up top though. So I'm gonna go with my intuition and richen it a little more. Say another quarter turn. I don't know, that crazy noise is back, so we're probably gonna blow this up at some point. Definitely gotta increase the idle gap. I don't know, like I said, I think my exhaust hose on the bench is clogged. So it's kind of causing this to run rich because it's forcing fuel into it. Let's try to get it to idle first before we go crazy. The struggle, the Nitro struggle. I increased the freaking idle speed a whole bunch. Definitely rich now. So we're gonna run it without the body for now. We can get some temperature in there. Oh yeah, and the tires are glued on now. Almost totaled it out on the curb because of my driving style. The freaking brakes were actually a little weak. I was actually just decreasing the brakes when I was at the house. I don't know what's going on now. I said I think my exhaust tuning bench hose is clogged, causing this to run super rich before. So without the back pressure from the hose, I don't think it was getting any fuel. So I gotta get in here and turn this idle up some more, but I can't seem to get the screwdriver out here while I'm filming. Come on. All right, I'm gonna put the camera down because I can't get my hand on there. All right, let's try that. All right, this is the Nitro struggle today. Come on. I'm gonna lean the bottom a little because it's not idle. Crazy noise is still there. So I actually don't like the way that it was leaned out like that. So we're just gonna increase idle until it runs. I don't know what's going on. I added a little more oil to the air filter, maybe that's the problem. Does not want your low idle. Got plenty of smoke. Take a look at the smoke. I can actually do donuts now. Maybe I can. I don't know if I got enough power. Let's see. got too much grip. Drove it off road. As you guys can see, we can be a lot more aggressive with it now that the tires are on there. Yeah, smoke trail. That's got to be the richest smoke trail I've ever seen. You got no reverse. It's the one thing that sucks about Nitro. You got no reverse. Let's get an engine temperature anyways. You may have a blown motor still. Doesn't have that smooth idle. It's got that kind of a knock kind of sound. But all Nitros kind of sound like this. Yeah, we're blowing this thing up, man. $260, guys. This is fucking crazy. How the hell do we have 260? I'm not gonna go full throttle for a minute now. I want to try to get some temperature down. So we may need an engine or a rebuild or something. Getting better, but not better enough. I guess we need the richest setting possible for this thing. I don't know. It's the only thing I could think of. We need some more fuel. It's got plenty of smoke though. You guys can see the smoke is plentiful. Plenty of speed. We have crazy idle speed now. I just want to keep an eye on this. Still too much, man. Need richer. Factory settings is all the way in. Very possible we just got bad compression, bad carburetor, bad something. Now don't want to accelerate, so it's too rich. That's full throttle. It seems like there's no smoke. Is that max speed for this? I don't know. Check temperature. Very possible we have a bad carburetor or something. Well, the temperature's down. Seems really freaking slow though, man. Definitely too rich. Too slow. See, now it actually goes. For some reason on a leaner setting we have more smoke. That must be the setting for it. And we have more smoke and more performance. That's how it's supposed to run. Seems like I have almost no turning radius. Let me adjust the controls on the remote. That's the setting right there, guys. There's plenty of smoke. There's plenty of acceleration. You guys can clearly see all the smoke. I don't know how the film's coming out because I'm doing the filming myself. Pretty good. Definitely have the performance up top. This is definitely richer than the factory setting, I believe. I feel like I have no turning radius. Let's check the temperature now. It definitely, seems like it's a tiny bit definitely sounds healthy. That could have been done. Smoked the whole time. You can clearly see the trail of smoke. So we're not running lean, that's for sure. We're just beating the hell out of it. Yeah, she's blowed. you guys see that there's a solid trail of smoke going the whole time, and it's still overheating with a giant trail of smoke. So I might have put too much, well, we're getting toward the bottom of the tank, so it could be running lean because of that, so I'm not gonna mess with it. But there's a giant trail of smoke the whole time. You guys can clearly hear that crazy noise is back. And we're not firing off. Now the crazy noise went away just now, but it's not firing off. So problem is could have an air leak somewhere, maybe in the primer or something. But you guys know what it means if your nitro runs hot, doesn't tune good, and overheat and flames out like this. You guys know what that means? It means puppy's dead. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna what we are gonna do as together is we're just gonna keep running it like this, I guess, until we figure out what the next step is gonna be for either rebuild this or replace it or something, or run it till the rod gives up or something, because that funny noise is back. It feels like it has compression, but I don't have to hold the car down. I'm pulling it right now, so it's not enough compression. You guys know what I'm saying? It's not enough. We're getting 270 out of an extremely rich, off a factory setting tune. It's safe to say that she's worn out. So yeah, guys, that's the story for this. It's worn out, but it still runs. Can't find another one anyways, so we got to run it as it is. I may have caused the damage myself when I ran this on 30%, 10% oil, or it could be that I added too much oil to this. We're gonna find out, because I will be getting other fuel and I'll only add 16%, and then we'll do another test on this or something. So let me get the hell out of here, because we got people driving around the parking lot over here now. So I'm gonna get out of here and see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you all. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button or you're gonna miss videos. So see you guys next time.